If you just press Command Shift and 3 simultaneously, then this will take the screenshot of entire screen on your Mac. If you press Command Shift and 4 simultaneously, then that will open up a screen capture window where you can select the specific portion of the screen for which you want to take the screenshot. And once you release that, the screenshot will be taken. But what if you want to take the full page screenshot in Chrome? That's what we are going to learn in this video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro. And without any further delay, let's learn how to take full page screenshot in Google Chrome. In order to take full page screenshot in Google Chrome, what we have to do is we have to first of all go to the page for which we want to take the entire page screenshot. Here I have searched for Tech Review Pro in Google and I want to take the full page screenshot of this page. So what I'll do is I have got multiple options here to take the full page screenshot. First, I'll show you the easiest method, and that is you have to click on File option from the top menu items of Google Chrome, and after that you have to select Print, or you may also press Command and P simultaneously, and that will open up the print window. So click on that, and then here you can see the destination is set as save as PDF. So we will be exporting this page as PDF, and next we may select the page, and here it is important to keep the pages as all. So select all, and that will take the full page screenshot of all pages, as you can see here the preview. So after that you have to click on save and then select the destination where you want to save the entire page screenshot. So click on save, and that will be saved as the full page screenshot in Google Chrome. But obviously this is not the best method, because in some cases you might lose the orientation and images etc. inside the full page screenshot. So to preserve that and take the full page screenshot in the best possible way in Google Chrome, what we have to do is we have to use the second method, and for that we will have to click on this three dot icon, and after that here from these options we have to select the option that is More Tools. So click on More Tools, and that will open up further options, and from here we have to open up the developer tools. So click on that, and that will open up the developer menu here. You can see the console here, and from here we have to click on the three dot icon again, and after that we have to go to Run Command option. So click on that, and then here we have to type in screenshot, and once you type in screenshot in the Run command, here you get multiple options. You can see there is capture area screenshot, capture full size screenshot, and other options as well, but we are concerned about this option, that is capture full size screenshot. So we will click on that, and when you click on that, within a few seconds this will take the full page screenshot of this entire page. As you can see here, this has taken the full page screenshot and downloaded it here. You can see the size is 2.8 MB, and if you don't see here, you may also click on the downloads button here, and that will show up the downloaded file. And after that, if you click on this, here you can see this has opened up the entire page screenshot in preview app. If I zoom in to show you, here you can see the quality is pretty good and there is no loss in the pixels. So this is the best way to take full page screenshot in my opinion. And if you find this method as slightly longer process, then the best possible way to save your time is to use the shortcuts. So if you just remember the shortcuts, then it will be much easier and faster. Let me show you here. If I just need to take the full page screenshot in Google Chrome of this page, then I'll activate the console menu by pressing Option Command and I simultaneously, and that will activate the console menu. And after that, I'll simply press Command Shift and P, and that will activate the Run Command menu. And after that, I'll type in screenshot and then click on Capture Full Size Screenshot, and that will take the entire page screenshot here. As you can see, the process has become much faster now, and all that is just because of using shortcuts. So just remember the shortcuts and take the full page screenshot quickly in Google Chrome. And by the way, to make it easier for you, I have added all these shortcuts in the video description below, so just make sure to check them out. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to take full page screenshot in Firefox, Safari and other browsers in Mac, then make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.